Hi everyone, this is a complete tutorial of how to convert text to a speech or to an audio free, and especially with a certain length of text with a lot of words. Follow me. So to generate a text, you can use ChatGPT to do this task. Go for Explore the GPTs. Then click on so choose one of these GPTs. For example, this one, YouTube script writer or video script writer, and ask them to write for you a script for your video. Let's try it. Write a script about happiness. Give them the authorization to search for.
Let's start by identifying your target audience for.
Once ChatGPT has done the work, go and copy the text. Now let's go back to Speechify. So our site is Speechify or Speechify. So go to this website. I will do the task from the beginning. Copy the text. So to have the full access for Speechify, you need to create an account on Speechify. Then go and click on a new, then choose the type or path text. You can also use Google Drive or Dropbox, OneDrive, Canvas, or a link. For me, I will use this one, copy and paste, then add the text. So for the free version of Speechify, they don't allow you to download the audio directly for your computer. So you need to do a little things. So you can use the screen recorder or a audio recorder. So use this technique to record the audio of the computer, not your own talk screen and record only the audio from your computer like this.
Let's start by identifying your target audience for a video on happiness. Based on the topic, here's a breakdown of the audience.
So you can change the voice. All of them are there for you to use. For me, I use Mr. Beast. So let's listen to
Hashtag
this
target audience
audio.
characteristics. 1. Personal growth enthusiast individuals interested in improving their emotional well-being and mindset. 2. Young professionals and students.
So using this technique, you can record the audio completely and go to your video editor and edit the audio, or go to Audacity to have some changes on your audio, then use them on your video editor to make a great video for your audience. Thank you for watching this video.